I love direct mail. I definitely practice what I preach. I mail out 180,000 postcards to promote PostcardMania every single week. I never miss a week. I don't care if there's a hurricane, a fire. Now, listen, if there's like crazy stuff happening in a part of the country, I will not mail to that part of the country. But I don't care what's happening in Florida, where I am. If there's a hurricane, we're getting the mail out, period. So we get the mail out every single week. And I can say that in 23 years, I have never, ever missed a week of getting the mail out, not over the holidays, the brand new year, the last week of the year, Christmas, I get the mail out. 40%, 41% of Americans look forward to checking their mail. 58% of the mail people receive is marketing mail. 58, I guess the rest of it's bills, because people, I mean, maybe people are writing letters. I don't know. Okay, so when we're looking at response rates, if you're looking at a house list, let's define what a house list is. That's just your customers, the people that you're already doing business with. Excuse me. And if you're comparing, if you're looking at the different years, direct mail is actually getting more effective as time goes by, because people are so sick of pop-ups and emails that are coming to them from people that they didn't give their email address to. And I know what I do in the morning. If you have a bunch of emails, you go to check your email and you want to do some work, I just hit the top one, go to the bottom one with my little, shift key, highlight them all, and I just bulk delete. So I'm not even seeing the headlines. If I see it's not from somebody that I'm doing business with or I'm wanting to communicate with, it's gone. So direct mail is just getting better and better, even for just prospects, people who don't know anything about you. Because if you think about it, you look at your mail when you want to look at your mail. You're not being interrupted by your mail. You're walking from your car into your home, you stop by the mailbox, you get the mail, you put it on the kitchen counter, you prepare dinner, or you sit down for dinner, if that's how it is in your home. And and then when you're ready to look at the mail, you look at the mail. So it gets your actual attention. So mail is not going anywhere. And it just has a lot of proven results. And we can look at mail, different types of mail, and what types of mail get the best response. So of course, I am a postcard-aholic, and I love postcards the best because your message is right there. And if it's designed correctly, the recipient will know exactly what you do in a fraction of a second, what problem you solve for them, and whether or not that's something they're interested in or not. And if there's any slight interest, they will take the time to read the rest of your card. So I'm a fan. 59% of US respondents say that they enjoy getting mail from brands about new products. Very interesting. And 73% of American consumers say they prefer being contacted by brands via direct mail because they can read it whenever they want. Oh, so Epsilon agrees with me. I like that. Open rates. Let's talk about that a little bit. I mean, up to 90% of direct mail gets opened. Even I don't know if enveloped advertisements get opened unless there's something on that envelope large that explains what's inside so that you think you want to see it. 20 to 30% of emails gets open. I guess the rest is advertisements or spam. I mean, certain emails I like getting. I love getting emails from different retailers. They hit me up every day, especially in the home decor or the shoe genre. I like those emails, and I click on them and I buy from emails. And emails are an amazing follow-up tool once somebody is actually your customer. It's wonderful, but to hit someone with an email as a first point of contact is annoying because I don't even know you. And how did you get my email address? That's the first thing. Like, I did not opt into anything. So anyway, let's see. So 75% of direct mail recipients can recall a brand after seeing an ad. And that's again, because they have your attention. And 44% of digital ad viewers can recall a brand after seeing an ad. Interesting. So if you're going to compare direct mail to email on a 1-for-1, I send out 1 million pieces of direct mail and 1 million emails, you're going to get a much better response with your direct mail.